3 ways to change video speed. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. The first way is to right-click on your clip, then select speed/duration. In the pop-up, you can set the speed to a value that you want or drag the value to the right or left to increase or decrease it. I just used 300. Then make sure Ripple Edit is checked and set time interpolation to optical flow, and click OK. Let's undo the changes. The second way is to click on Ripple Edit tool and hold down, and select Rate Stretch tool. With Rate Stretch tool, drag at the end of your clip and go left or right to increase or decrease speed. Let's undo the changes again. The third way is to drag from your video track so you can see the ramp. Now, click on Effect button and select Time Remapping, Speed. Now drag the ramp up to increase the speed or drag it down to decrease the speed. For a final note, remember to right-click on your video and select Time Interpolation, Optical Flow to smooth the video, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to render it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.